Rapid ʻŌhiʻa death has become a big issue recently. It has been taking out forests of ʻŌhiʻa trees, which is why I'm here to talk about it. ʻŌhiʻa is Hawaii Island's official flower. They are beautiful flowers and are endemic plants to the Hawaiian Islands and can be found on Hawaii Island, Maui, Lanai, Molokai, Oahu, and Kauai. In fact, they're called pioneer trees because they're the first tree to occupy and grow directly in lava flow. Sadly, a disease called rapid ʻŌhiʻa death, or ROD, has been killing off forests of ʻŌhiʻa trees. It is a newly discovered fungal disease that was found in 2014. The way ROD works is by clogging the tree internally, causing the tree to die. There are two different species that cause ROD, with one causing the tree to die more slowly in sections and the other that causes a quicker death. ROD is important because ʻŌhiʻa is a native plant and is good for the Hawaiian forests. It is also important to the people and Hawaiian culture.
Hi, I'm Kristen Gegesh. I'm one of the 7th grade science teachers here at Kailua Intermediate School.
What do you know about the disease that is attacking ʻŌhiʻa?
I know that rapid ʻŌhiʻa death is a very sad and a very impactful problem right now. It's affecting mainly the Big Island of Hawaii, where they have primary old growth forests. Some of the big trees in the forest are becoming vulnerable to this disease, and even it's affecting new ones too. So it's spreading, and we're really concerned about it coming to outer islands. So ROD is a fungus. It's a disease that attacks the inside of a tree. Inside there's cells carrying important nutrients from the soil up to the leaves. That's where the canopy is. And if the fungus affects the trunk of the tree, it will stop the flow of water going from the roots up to the tree, and that's why the leaves turn brown.
Trees that have ROD can have the whole tree or just individual branches dead with brown leaves still attached. The tree's sapwood can have dark and unusual staining and or a fruity odor, but these signs may not be visible from the outside. If a tree has these signs, it may not be ROD, and testing would have to be done to confirm if it is ROD or not. Oahu Invasive Species Committee, or OASC, is a company that works to survey for and control incipient invasive species. Their company either gets public reports of sighted dying ʻŌhiʻa trees, or twice a year they fly over the forest in a helicopter to try and spot trees showing signs of ROD. When they find one, they collect a sample by using a hatchet to collect wood chips of the heartwood. Sometimes they even use a drill and get some of the sawdust, then send all of the wood to a lab. If it comes back positive for ROD, they cut down the infected tree with specialty gear and then tarp the tree so that insects or people do not accidentally spread the fungal spores that cause ROD. Although we may not be able to help in that way, here's some other things we can do. ROD can travel through contaminated soil, so some ways we can help prevent the spread of it is by staying on established trails, brushing off your shoes, and spraying with 70% rubbing alcohol or 10% freshly mixed bleach solution, and washing your clothes and gear in hot soapy water. ROD is a serious disease, and everyone needs to do their part to stop the spread of it. ʻŌhiʻa is an important tree, and people should be more aware of this issue. So, please help by telling people about this issue and how they can protect the forest.